Hey guys, Brian from Lean by Doing, and today I want to take a minute to talk about a way to get your team engaged with peer-to-peer recognition awards in your morning meetings. Let's go. Depending where you are with your lean journey, you may be finding that your shout outs are getting a little bit stale. And every morning meeting, we do a shout out and we're trying to acknowledge everybody else for the great things that they're doing, but perhaps it's just kind of falling on its face. Maybe it feels a little bit like a chore, or maybe your team isn't engaging the way you want them to engage. So let me tell you guys about a way that I found to really get engagement when it comes to peer-to-peer acknowledgement. And that is with this lovely thing right here, the golden banana. And you might be saying, Brian, why do you have this giant gold banana? Well, my wife found this at a local store. She sent me a picture via text on a Saturday and was like, oh my gosh, who would buy this? And I said, please bring that home with you. And she did. And the idea that I had with this was to make it a peer-to-peer acknowledgement award. So what's happening now is every Monday, we present the golden banana to the next golden banana recipient. And then that following week, the person who won the award has to then present it to somebody else. And the idea is that it's a great way to give individual shout outs for like exceptional things. We've made it lean related to start, but it doesn't have to be lean related. It could be as simple as somebody had a really good performance week and you want to give it to them for that. It could be something as advanced as this person helped me outside of work with moving and I want to give them the golden banana for that. So I think that you want to leave it kind of wide open. And I know that many variations of this do exist. I'm not the originator of this idea. It's just something that I came up with, and about being kind of a silly award, it's actually become something that everybody is kind of coveting around the shop. And I think that that's awfully incredible to have. And I think that people really should consider doing a peer-to-peer award. So let me walk you through how my team is presenting the golden banana to their coworkers. Every Monday morning, we are video presenting the award to our coworkers. And the way that we're doing this is we're recording a video and we're talking about the person. And a lot of times they're talking about the things about the person, but not necessarily giving you the name yet. And they will describe all the things that they like about this person or the things that this person has done that have been exceptional. And then at the end of the video, most of the time we figured out who it is, and then that person's name is revealed. This is a great way to do this. And a lot of these videos have actually been extremely emotional for the person receiving and for the person giving. And what we found is that it's a great way to build this appreciative culture where we look at our coworkers in the brightest light we possibly can, and we acknowledge the things that they're exceptional at and the things that they do to stand out. And then we're also reinforcing it by making these videos and putting it out in front of the entire team to see. And there are times where things have been done behind the scenes that we weren't aware of. And a person may say, this person did this such and such thing for me. And it's really cool to see that our culture is stretching beyond just our doors. So if you're looking for a way to spice up your morning meetings with a weekly appreciation award from your coworkers, then I highly recommend you go out and find something and start implementing something just like this. You can steal our idea if you can happen to find a golden banana just like this, or you're welcome to come up with your own creative idea internally. But I just want to tell you guys that this is a transformative tool, and I think every lean business should consider this for their morning meetings. So anyways, thank you guys for listening, watching, tuning in, doing whatever you're doing. I just ask that you like and subscribe and comment and tell me the things you like, tell me the things you don't like. Give us 5 stars on Spotify and Apple Podcast, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you.